Okay, everybody, can I have your attention? Welcome to the first edition of AI Cup for 2026 in collaboration with the AI Coalition for the Netherlands. We are so happy that all of you made it here, and we have so many students from different regions, from also different educational backgrounds, and also different familiarity with AI, from beginners to advanced competitors. Now, for this AI Cup, we are bringing together over 400 students online and offline. And those are students from also multiple universities, from Groningen, Utrecht. So everybody of you, thank you so much for being here. And the scale really matters because we as a student, we don't really get the chance to have our own platform. So this is where we are beginning. Now, before we start, first we want to make a quick thank you to all of you, but also the people who will be watching our recording later on. And let's get into the program. So right now we are straight here. We'll be then continuing with 3 speeches. After a quick break, we are going to be talking more about the AI Cup itself. And after the lunch, we will be having challenge workshop. Now, we know that all of you are here for the challenge. But before we get into it, we first want to give you most of the context for the dataset you will be using, and also introduce who are the people behind the scenes. So, Epoch is the AI dream team from TU Delft, and we are focusing on artificial intelligence. We want to push the frontier of AI in Europe and become the leading student team for sustained competitive AI improvement. And also, we want to motivate the next generation of AI engineers. Now, this whole thing would not be possible without our collaborators and our partners. So our main collaboration is with AI Coalition for the Netherlands. And AIC4NL is the largest AI network with over 400 organizations and 7 hubs all across the country. And we want to thank you so much for making this dream of AI Cup come true. And AIC4NL for today will be represented by Professor Inald Lagendijk. Now, secondly, we want to thank Mondai. Mondai is an amazing institution which connects disciplines, different sectors, in order to improve the innovation of AI. And we want to really thank them for letting us host this event in this amazing building. And we cannot forget about DAISY, which is the Delft AI Civic Initiative, and they were working with us in order to implement the responsible AI part of the challenge. You will hear about it later. Now, also we cannot forget about the TU Delft AI Initiative, which is organizing a lot of events in order to connect people and institutions together. And they were helping us with also planning this event, so thank you for your input. Now, for TNO was our challenge provider. We will be also having a speaker from them, and they provided us with the dataset. So all the more AI coding thing related to that we'll be explaining together. So now the moment you have been all waiting for, what is the actual challenge? So throughout the last few weeks, we have been giving out a bit of hints, if you have noticed, on our posters, on our social media. And the 3 big topics we have been telling you are about birds, radar data, and wind turbines. So does anybody have any kind of idea how we could connect these together? Anybody? Yeah, please. Okay, well, if guys, you are not sure, we will tell you that the connection is pretty straightforward, actually. So we are trying to build AI technology that can identify bird species using radar data from TNO in order to improve bird conservation around wind farms. Now, this is a topic that may be, well, a bit not known to you yet, and that's why we have invited 3 domain experts who will actually tell you why you should care about this.